Dear students, today I shall discuss about electrostatic potential and capacitance. Chapter 2, class 12. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay. Second chapter of class 12, physics. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. And first topic is electrostatic potential. Today I will discuss this topic, electrical potential or electrostatic potential due to a point charge. Now question is, what is potential? What is potential? This is the amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. This is called the electric potential at this point. Suppose electric potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done in carrying a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Again I am repeating, the electrostatic potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. This is the electric potential and it is denoted by V. It is denoted by V. Now, our aim is to find the electrical potential due to a point charge. There is a point charge plus Q and we want to electric potential at point A due to this charge. And so, we have taken a test charge Q0. Q0 is the Q0. This is the test charge. And it is taken from infinity to this point. And to bring this, we get to point P and Q. The distance of P from Q is x and PQ is dx, and the point A is at a distance r from the source charge or point charge. And when the test charge is here, it will experience a force. This is equal to Q naught E. Force equal to F equal to Q into E. So Q naught into E. Now, if W is the work done in bringing the test charge Q naught from infinity to A, then what will be the potential? V equal to W by Q naught. This is equation number 1. Now, when the test charge is moved from P to Q, small distance, there will be small amount of work done. So, what will be the small amount of work done? Small amount of work done in bringing the test charge from P to Q is dW equal to F dot dx f dot dx. equal to f dx cos 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Force is in this direction and displacement is in this direction, so there is an angle 180 degree. So this is minus f dx. But what is f? Since f vector equal to q naught e vector, put here, therefore dw equal to minus q naught e dx. There will be no vector because this is in scalar form. So q naught e dx. This is the work done. Now question is, what is the total work done? What will be the total work done in bringing the test charge from infinity to A? Therefore, total work done in bringing the from A, from infinity to A, what will be the work done? W equal to integration limit infinity to A. What is the distance of A? R. So R, and this one. Now you put the value of E. So minus q naught, E means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Here r means x square dx. Since E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square, this. So put here this one. So if you arrange this, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square dx. Put this value here. So minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square dx. So this is constant, q naught also constant. It is coming out minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught and integration of infinity to r x to the power minus 2 dx. It will be minus q naught and its integration will be minus 1 by x. So this minus plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught 1 by r minus 1 by infinity, upper limit minus lower limit. First upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by infinity means 0, so it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. This is the work done. So what we will get from the equation 1? What will be the potential? The potential V equal to, therefore potential V equal to q naught cancel. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r divided by q naught. So it is coming 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is the expression for potential at a point due to a source charge. Clear? Again I am discussing. Our aim is to find the electric potential at a point. So question is, what is electric potential? Electric potential means amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from infinity to that point where you want to find the potential. And for this we have taken a source charge plus Q and a test charge we have taken, and it is taken from infinity to point A. Our aim is to find potential at point A. Now you see, when the test charge is at point P, it is experiencing a force. This is in this direction, because this is positive, it will repel this, so this will in this direction, and we are taking in this direction. Now if the amount of work done to take the test charge from infinity to point A, work done is W, then what will be potential? Potential equal to W by Q naught. Now our aim is to find W, and so when the test charge is taken as very small displacement dx, P to Q, then what will be the work done? dW equal to F dot dx. So this one, angle is 180 degree because force is in this direction, displacement is in this direction. So 180 degree, cos 180 means minus 1. So this, and F is Q naught into E, put here. And what is E? E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by x square. Potent electric field at point P is E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square. So put here, we are getting this. Now our aim is to find total work done. So total work done integration infinity to R. So this, and its integration is minus 1 by x, and we are getting this. First upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by infinity means 0, so we are getting this. Now this is work done. So from equation 1 what we are getting? V equal to W by Q naught. So W is this by Q naught. Q naught cancel. So we are getting 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. It is a scalar quantity. Potential is a scalar quantity, and its SI unit is volt. Joule per coulomb means volt. Joule per coulomb means volt. Its SI unit is volt, or you can say joule per coulomb. Clear? Today, up to this, you read properly, and to achieve your goal, you have to work hard, more and more. Hard work is necessary. Without hard work, success is never possible. Remember this. So, hard work necessary, and eagle mentality. That means focusing to the aim. You should focus to your aim, and you should have to do hard work. Then you will success in your life, and you will achieve your goal in future. So it is necessary. You read more and more. Subject will be clear. You will get enjoyment in this subject, and then you can easily read more and more. It will encourage you. Okay, bye.